This one gets really well used. It needs some updating. I would have done it a long time ago, but we just don't have time. So here it is. Here's the bathroom, and it's usually a little bit messy. We have a tub, it's just functional that way. Anyways, I want to get a rack for the like cute little farmhouse hooks for the towels instead of the towel bar. And you'll see there's like streaks on the wall, so it just needs some fresh paint. So while we were painting, I was gonna finally get motivated to do a feature wall. I would love to shiplap the entire thing, but it just needs a facelift. We cannot open this can of paint. I tried for at least 20 minutes. Now he's like, it's like rusted.
Yeah, it's really weird.
I just want to paint my walls. Mom, I think I'm actually just like standing here and he's doing all the work. I bought a stencil off of Dizzy Designs on Amazon, and I'm gonna try stenciling it, but right now we're putting on just a plain coat of white paint. It needs a good backdrop, and then hopefully the stencil works. And it's hard painting in a bathroom because it's so small, so I have a small roller extension which helps so I don't bang into everything. And I'm cutting around everything, and then cutting in. You want to put a little bit of wet paint on your brush and then glide it along. Don't go into the corner yet, and then go back over it. And so you want to roll wet and roll a couple times, and then go back and roll over cleaner a second time, and just to clean up any drip marks. So I had ordered the Dizzy Duck Designs stencil from Amazon, but you can order directly from their site as well. They have been fabulous to work with, and it's a great product. It's really easy to use a stencil because it overlaps, and so you always know where your place is. I would start from I'd recommend starting from a top corner and working your way down and out from there. It would make the process a lot simpler. I didn't, so I have a nice little frame happening, which actually looks really good too, and I actually like it because I was not a perfectionist at this. Learning how to use it, and it actually makes it look aged, which is really special. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, even though I didn't take the time to make it perfect. That being said, you watched the process. We painted the walls in our trim color, which is Chantilly lace. I'll put the link below. I hope you have enjoyed watching the process and you feel encouraged to just do something simple. Something like the stencil cost me, what, $65 delivered, and I can use it over and over again, and it was so fun to use. And so here is the bathroom. there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of my bathroom update. Everything done under 150 bucks. I hope you're encouraged to do something that works for you, a little update that you can love your place again. If you want more inspiration, remember to subscribe below and like the video. Tell me your process, your comments, your questions. I would love to hear from you. And remember to hop on over to my blog, to my shop, and link is below. And if you need redesign inspiration on how to redecorate your space, I have tutorial, and my book Redesign is there for purchase as well. Take care. Have a great day, friends.